war room which has been operational in the Prayagraj Junction station. A similar war room has today been created in the railway board, where the feed from all the stations will come. This war room will operate 24/7, and the officers who are managing the overall railway movement, they will be posted in the war room. We have published booklets in 22 languages, and also announcements are in 12 Indian languages, so that the passengers coming from different areas, different parts of the country, they can get announcements, they can listen to announcements in their own.